The design principles you might already heard and felt just a principles, but it is one of the primary rule must be followed in your design so that your content gets user attention, understandable, finally achieve your goal, what you intended. So let me discuss the design principles one by one, how this can be implemented and validated in your design. The first one we see the alignment. It creates a sense of unity and order, which makes it easier for people to scan through your design and understand what they are looking at. So look at this design. Key service list and contact details aligned in left and looks unity and order. The next one, hierarchy. So directly relates to how well content can be processed by people using a website. So in this design, very first you see company, then service title, after that service list. So content has been laid out one by one as hierarchy wise. Then we see contrast. Contrast helps effectively pursue user attention for a particular element. When you look into this design, I see the first service title, then image, then rest of the content follows. The title and image has more contrast and prominent in the page where it's emphasized in design. Then consistency. So user feel more comfortable and trust your design while you enforce your brand and specific ideas consistently. So here you can see the font style, size and color consistently managed in the design. The next one, unity. So unity means using similar elements in one design so that all the content makes sense together. So for example, when you look into the service list, use arrows so that it makes sense all are in one group. And also the contact details grouped and placed in separate colored background. Then balance. So the design elements in a design that have weight in order to create visual harmony. So weight has been clearly managed from company name, title, list and graphics to facilitate user scan the content clearly. So the next one, white space. So the breathing space helps user digest content and reduces cognitive load. Also helps highlight specific content or specific parts of design. So white space has been provided between company name and service list, then graphics and contact details. So it looks clean and stand out in the page. Then emphasis. Emphasis helps parts of design to stand out compared to other elements. So example, the company title, service title, then graphics standing out compared to other content. Proportion. Proportion signals what is important in a design and what isn't when size of elements in relation to one another. The size of font weight, graphic size will signals to user its importance. Next we see movement. Movement refers to the way the eye travels over a design. The most important element should lead to the next most important and so on. When you apply hierarchy, emphasis and other design principles which would be supported for user eye movement and make easier to read. So you can't simply ignore the design principles which needs to be applied in your design. So when you expect to sell your idea. So this is Kathir. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.